conditional use permit and have reviewed the engineering and drainage plans and seem to be okay with it, so I would have to agree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would agree with Ms. Danny Pearson that I think for our purposes here, for planning commission purposes, we look at the conditional use permit and staff has thought that that is, and I again would encourage the people in the back that this isn't necessarily the place where you have your problem. You need to go directly to the highway department and the county commission thus and get those concerns raised to do what you need to do. So we only deal with the building permits and the land use here at this level. So I agree with
Should we put one of your commissioners on the hot spot? Should we ask Gerald? Gerald, how about, you've listened to this, if they were to appeal this and come to a joint meeting and give their concerns, not so much about the building and the house being put in, but the drainage,
Right.
could that help maybe move things along a little bit as far as some future plans, as far as that drainage way under that highway?
I think it would move it up the priority list. I think the issue would be is that we'd probably ask for an engineer opinion and to make that happen a little quicker based on, frankly, the building of the house and the accessory building would happen quicker if in fact they were there to plead their case. Frankly, the list of culverts, bridges, and everything else has grown dramatically this year because of changes in management and engineering staff. So I would suggest that that be the priority, is that they do bring that to try to move it up the list quicker.
They could visit with staff as to how to do that, either that or I'm assuming appeal. If it were to pass, appeal it and talk directly to the commissioner.
Can do that also. But there has to be some public conversation about that.
Any other discussion? All in favor on the city side of the motion will signify by saying yes.
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 All opposed? Motion passes on the city side.
All in favor on the county side, signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Anybody opposed? Motion passes on the county side.
As chairperson, I will entertain a motion for adjournment. A motion and a second. All in favor signify by saying yes.
Yes.
Adjournment passes on the city side.
Got 5 gallons left
I know.
around. Don't 5 gallons.
Hey, I agree with you.
Yeah, I know.
Is that the problem?
What's going on?
Yeah, they don't have any grading requirements or anything like that, so, if you're in the city, you usually do. I don't know. Johnson did.
You know, it's not.
Let's see.
All right, we're going to go ahead and get started here.